Welcome to one of Russia's largest police vehicle manufacturing facilities, where powerful patrol cars are built to serve in some of the world's toughest environments. What transforms ordinary steel into the vehicles trusted during the world's toughest police operations? The answer begins where almost nobody is allowed to look. Every patrol vehicle begins with carefully certified structural steel. Material quality determines everything that follows. Even tiny chemical differences can change crash performance. Nothing enters production without passing laboratory approval. Industrial lasers cut with millimeter precision. Every panel already knows exactly where it belongs. Strength isn't determined by thickness alone. It's the engineered shape that gives steel its exceptional rigidity and structural integrity. One press stroke shapes metal with astonishing accuracy. The entire process lasts only seconds. Each door requires multiple precision-formed layers. Accuracy here affects every future assembly step. Thousands of measurements happen before assembly even starts. Precision today prevents problems months later. Perfect alignment begins at the vehicle floor. Every future component depends on this foundation. Hundreds of welds join the structure with incredible consistency. Robots repeat the same motion thousands of times every day. Millimeter-perfect positioning is essential. Even tiny errors can affect crash safety. The vehicle's safety cage is beginning to take shape. Strength comes from thousands of carefully engineered joints. Now the structure becomes a complete body shell. Precision here determines long-term durability.
Laser welding creates exceptionally strong, clean seams. The body now behaves as one unified structure.
This is only the skeleton of a future patrol vehicle. Next, it must survive one of the factory's harshest chemical processes. Before paint can protect the steel, every invisible contaminant must disappear. Even a fingerprint could shorten the vehicle's lifespan. This invisible coating dramatically improves paint adhesion. It's one of the most important corrosion barriers in modern vehicle manufacturing. Electricity helps paint reach places no spray gun ever could. Hidden protection starts from the inside out. Heat permanently locks the protective coating onto the steel. This layer may protect the vehicle for decades. Every welded seam receives its own waterproof barrier. These seals block moisture before corrosion can begin. Police vehicles often operate in demanding road conditions. This protective layer absorbs impacts that bare steel cannot. Paint quality begins with flawless preparation. Imperfections measured in microns are removed by hand. Electrostatic technology reduces waste while improving coverage. Every droplet is drawn directly toward the steel. Controlled heat creates exceptional durability. The finish is now ready for its final color. Modern robots maintain identical paint thickness on every vehicle. Consistency is impossible without automation. The glossy finish is more than appearance. It shields the paint from years of harsh exposure. Heat permanently bonds every paint layer together. The surface now withstands demanding daily service. Human eyes still outperform machines for final paint inspection. Every reflection tells its own story. Only tiny corrections remain before assembly begins. Attention to detail defines premium manufacturing. The body is finally protected and ready for its mechanical transformation. Next comes the engineering hidden beneath every police patrol vehicle. Long before the engine arrives, its foundation must be perfectly rigid. The subframe carries nearly every critical mechanical component. Hidden welds are inspected without cutting the metal apart. Every millimeter affects handling and durability. These small bushings isolate vibration while preserving steering precision. Their installation force is electronically monitored. Police suspension is engineered for continuous high-load operation. Every component is designed for exceptional durability. Modern patrol vehicles combine mechanical precision with electronic assistance. Every steering rack is individually calibrated. Power means very little without controlled stopping ability. Every brake component must meet exact performance standards. Engine accuracy begins with microscopic machining tolerances. Even tiny imperfections reduce long-term reliability. The crankshaft converts combustion into smooth, rotational power. Its installation demands extraordinary precision. Each piston must seal combustion while moving thousands of times every minute. Perfect alignment is essential. The cylinder head controls breathing, combustion, and power delivery. Every bolt follows a digitally controlled tightening sequence. A transmission multiplies engine performance through carefully engineered gear ratios. Every gear tooth is manufactured to remarkable precision. Two separate engineering masterpieces become one powertrain. Perfect alignment minimizes vibration throughout the vehicle.
Every engine is tested before entering a vehicle. Potential problems are discovered long before final assembly.
After hundreds of manufacturing steps, two separate production lines finally become one. This moment is known as the vehicle marriage. For the first time, this machine has a beating mechanical heart. Next, it begins transforming into a fully functional police patrol vehicle. A patrol car cannot protect the public without dependable endurance. Its fuel system is built for reliability under continuous operation. Fuel lines must remain protected from heat, vibration, and road debris. Every route is carefully engineered before production begins. Brake pressure travels through precisely engineered hydraulic pathways. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable.
The exhaust system controls emissions, noise, and engine breathing. Every section must align with remarkable precision.
Modern patrol vehicles depend on kilometers of electrical wiring. Every connector has only one correct destination. More than 50 electronic systems may communicate inside one vehicle. Their coordination begins long before the engine starts. Entire dashboard assemblies are installed in one carefully synchronized operation. Precision here prevents future vibration and noise. Mechanical controls now begin communicating with electronic systems. Calibration ensures every input is interpreted accurately. Quiet cabins improve communication during emergency response. Advanced insulation also reduces driver fatigue. Seat positioning affects comfort, visibility, and safety. Every mounting bolt is digitally recorded. Safety systems remain inactive until every sensor is verified. Protection begins long before an emergency ever occurs.
Modern automotive glass contributes to the vehicle's structural strength. Its installation requires perfect adhesive consistency.
Door alignment affects sealing, safety, and long-term durability. Robots achieve remarkable consistency across every vehicle. Lighting systems must perform flawlessly in every weather condition. Each unit is electronically tested before approval. For the first time, the vehicle stands on its own wheels. Next, it receives the specialized equipment that transforms it into a true police patrol car. The vehicle is mechanically complete, but its emergency identity is only beginning. Every police component must perform flawlessly under emergency warning systems are engineered for maximum reliability. Every electrical connection is digitally verified before activation. Reliable communication is just as important as engine performance. Every patrol vehicle becomes part of a secure communication network.
Thousands of software parameters define how the vehicle behaves. Programming is as critical as mechanical assembly. Every fluid is measured automatically with remarkable precision. Even slight variations can affect long-term reliability. After months of manufacturing, the machine finally awakens. Every sensor immediately begins reporting live data. The vehicle experiences demanding conditions before ever leaving the factory. Performance is verified in a completely controlled environment. Safety systems are measured, not estimated. Every result must match strict factory specifications. Every seal must withstand years of harsh weather. Even a single leak sends the vehicle back for correction.
Hundreds of quality checkpoints determine final approval. Nothing is left to chance. Only now does the vehicle receive its official operational identity. Every marking follows precise placement specifications. Even the smallest detail reflects the factory's engineering standards. Presentation is the final stage of craftsmanship. Every completed vehicle leaves behind a complete digital manufacturing history. Traceability remains available throughout its service life. Months of engineering now stand ready for real-world service. Each vehicle begins a mission far beyond the factory walls. understated. From raw steel to a fully equipped patrol vehicle, every stage demanded engineering precision and uncompromising